Yawning is a curious behavior that has puzzled scientists for ages. While many believe it signifies tiredness, the reasons behind yawning are more complex. One theory suggests yawning helps cool the brain, maintaining optimal functioning. When we yawn, we take in a large breath, which can increase alertness and improve cognitive performance. Yawning is also contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger the same response, possibly as a social bonding mechanism. Interestingly, yawning is not exclusive to humans. Animals also engage in this behavior. Despite its commonness, yawning remains an intriguing and underexplored aspect of human physiology and social interaction.